Hello, my name is Jaden and I'm going to show you how to make a Lego pencil holder. First you have to put the brick in a brick piece there. Then you're going to put these pieces together to make it connected like a big piece right here. Then you can do it the same until you feel like that it's long enough or short enough that you want it to be. If you have this is going to be the base, but if you have a base, you can just use the base. Okay, then after you have to basically turn it, you have to bring it you have to put it the other way because right now mine is this way, so I have to make it this way. Like this. Number two this way. So now after you do this, you have to do it the opposite way if you have it like this. You have to put it the opposite way. Because I had a 4 and a 2, now I have to do a 2 and a 4. Okay, now I'm done, like this. So then you're gonna start stacking, your pieces, for your wall kind of thing. Any way you want. Just bring it up until you 8 layers, about 8 layers high. And that's probably good enough. Then you can have your pencil holder. After this, you gotta keep going up. After this, you keep going up. Here is my pencil holder. Make sure it's together. Pencil holder,